Reports by the U.S. Navy confirm 13 sailors aboard the USS Roosevelt, who apparently recovered from the COVID virus, tested positive a second time after they met rigorous recovery criteria exceeding CDC guidelines. 5 reportedly also began showing influenza-like symptoms and were quarantined. So we put the question to medical experts.
Can we say with 100% certainty that people cannot get reinfected in a short amount of time?
In medicine, we never say never. So the answer is that possible? Yes. Is it likely? No.
Infectious disease doctor Arnold Baskis has an interesting take on what may have happened here.
They had a slow recovery, and they had what we call viral reactivation. In other words, the virus didn't leave their system. Let's think of it in those terms. And so they didn't get the virus again. They just never got rid of the virus the first time.
Dr. Weiner at the Winstar Institute seconds the belief that few people are susceptible to reinfection.
And we have a large number of people, of course, 7 billion on the planet. And so if we were to see in a very small number of people reinfection, I might not be that surprised. However, the vast majority of people that recover, we don't have evidence that they're becoming reinfected.
Weiner questions the effectiveness of the COVID test that cleared the sailors in the first place, saying in a laboratory there's little to no evidence reinfection is possible.
And we do have evidence from at least 2 different monkey studies now that when they give them the virus and then they clear the virus, if you try to reinfect them, it's very, very hard to impossible to try to reinfect them.
But if there are false negatives or resurgence of the illness, which could give people false security they've recovered when they actually haven't, what does that mean for the rest of us?
I'm very concerned, but it seems like something that you can't avoid.
Could people still be contagious?
The answer is yes. That is a potential, that is a possibility, but this is unlikely to be a problem for us going forward.
Baskis is holding out hope for a vaccine soon. In the meantime, with all these questions, he says prevention, like wearing a mask and washing your hands, is the greatest cure. In Philadelphia, Wendy Saltzman, NBC 10 News.